Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing new Casio watch model MTP-1302PD-4AVEF. Let's get started. The Casio MTP-1302PD is a stylish and functional timepiece that seamlessly combines form and function. With its sleek stainless steel bracelet, this watch exudes a timeless elegance suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Equipped with a reliable quartz movement, the MTP-1302PD ensures accurate timekeeping, allowing you to stay punctual in your daily activities. The analog display features luminous hands, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. This practical feature is particularly useful for those who value readability in various environments. The watch boasts a date display. This practical complication is a valuable addition for individuals with busy schedules, offering convenience at a glance. Water resistance is another noteworthy feature of the MTP-1302PD, allowing it to withstand everyday activities such as handwashing and exposure to light splashes. However, it's essential to note that this watch is not suitable for swimming or diving. The deployment clasp ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to wear the watch with confidence throughout the day. In conclusion, the Casio MTP-1302PD is a well-crafted watch that strikes a balance between style and functionality. Whether you're heading to the office, a social event, or simply navigating your daily routine, this timepiece is a reliable companion that complements your personal style. Its classic design, coupled with practical features, makes it a worthy addition to any watch collection. The case of this watch is 38 mm. My wrist size is 17 cm or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.